When I bought my dream home, I thought the HOA would help keep the neighborhood nice. I didn't realize I was walking straight into Karen's kingdom. Karen was the HOA president, and she treated every homeowner like a tenant. She inspected lawns with a ruler, fined people for parking in their own driveways, and once even told my mailman to get permission before delivering to me. It was ridiculous, but I tried to stay polite. Until the day she crossed the line. I had been renovating my front porch, just repainting, nothing crazy. Karen showed up, waving a clipboard. "You didn't get HOA approval for this," she barked. I showed her the permit from the city. She smirked. "Doesn't matter. This community has standards. You're in violation, and you'll be evicted if you don't comply." I laughed, thinking she was bluffing. But a week later, I got a letter from her HOA attorney claiming they were beginning the eviction process for noncompliance. Evict me from my own house? Fine. Game on. I called my lawyer, who, fun fact, happens to specialize in HOA law. We filed a countersuit for harassment, defamation, and abuse of authority. Turns out the attorney Karen used wasn't actually licensed, just her brother-in-law, who printed business cards online. When court day came, the room was packed. Karen strutted in like she owned the courthouse. She even brought a folder labeled HOA Power Documents. The judge started with one question. "Ms. Karen, can you show us the clause in your HOA bylaws that allows you to evict a homeowner?" Karen froze, flipped through her papers, mumbled something about community protection. The judge leaned forward, smirking. "So, you tried to evict someone from private property with no authority and a fake attorney?" Her face went white. The judge dismissed her entire case on the spot, then ordered the HOA to pay my legal fees plus damages. Karen lost her presidency the next week. The new board sent a formal apology and even refunded everyone's fines from her reign of terror. Now, every time I walk by the HOA office, I wave and say, "Need help reading rules?"